Welcome to Graduate Lab. Today I have on review WPGoMaps. It is WordPress map plugin which has more than 400,000 active installations and which maintains 5-star ratings. Well, this is insane rating and number of installations. So with this plugin, you will be able to get many different features. For example, you will be able to set custom icons, have image overlays, add labels, apply different styling, use custom markers, have unlimited maps, create directions to your markers, insert videos, use it as heat map, apply custom fields, and you will have access to many other features. And moreover, this plugin is supported in many languages. At the moment, WPGoMaps is available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal, and this is kind of unique offering because this software is on market for 11 years. And usually AppSumo lists some startups, but here you get well-established product with all of the features. There is just one plan that will give you pro version of WPGoMaps. And yeah, as I mentioned, the founder states that they are 11 plus years in business already. So let's move to the demo. To use this plugin, first of all, you will need to go install it, then activate, then you will see maps setting. I have one map created already, and we can go to the settings. And what I like about this plugin, you have an option to choose between open layers and Google Maps, because if you would like to use Google Maps as your map engine, you will need to add your own API key, and with open layers it just works without any keys at all. And of course there are a lot of other options which you can configure with this plugin, like you can use custom CSS and custom JavaScript. Getting back to our map, we can go and edit that. And from this view, you can configure your map. But let's go with the settings one by one. Here you will have general settings for your map. You can configure how it will appear on the page and what space it will occupy. I will show you how you can integrate it with shortcode on your pages. You can use it as a store locator. You can choose different themes and styling for your maps, like so, and you can see it changes on the fly. Regarding themes, you have even more options. And if needed, you have even more fine-grained control here. Going back to top-level menu, here we can configure our markers. For example, I have added few, and you can configure those in different styling, like you can add animation, more content on your maps, like drawing lines, circles, polygons, rectangles, add an image overlay, basically whatever you need on your map. So now let's move to how you can use that map on your pages. You need to go to Maps, and then you will need to copy this shortcode. Then let's imagine you want to create a page named store locator. You will need to add shortcode on your page and paste the code that you just copied. Then update the page and let's view it. And here it is, our custom map with elements which we added to it. Let's find some location. It is Edmonton. Yep, here it is. We can expand the map if needed. And that's how you can use WPGoMaps WordPress plugin. So moving to the conclusion. WPGoMaps is a great tool which focuses on one specific task, and the task is providing you maps functionality for your WordPress site. And with this plugin, you're getting all functionality for your maps that you can imagine. You can use your detailed and custom markers, you can add images, videos onto your maps, add directions on your maps, and much more. So to get this deal, well, it's still available. Please check my affiliate link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.